Today I'm going to show you how to make Granny's Yorkshire puddings. You will need 4 ounces of flour, which is 115 grams, 2 eggs, half a pint of milk, which is 300 millilitres, and approximately 3 fluid ounces of vegetable oil, which is 100 millilitres. So to your milk, you want to add your eggs. Give this a mix until well combined. And then simply add your flour and mix until well combined. If you do have an electric mixer, it will make it a smoother batter, but if you don't and you just have a fork, then just give it a really good mix. Then to a muffin tray, you want to pour oil into each of the holes so then it covers the bottom. And then you want to pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 7, 220 degrees centigrade or 200 fan assisted. Pop the oil in for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, give your batter another good stir, and then you want to pour into each of the holes. And pop back in the oven for 25 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make Granny's Yorkshire puddings. So this recipe was actually passed down from David's grandmother, which is why it's Granny's Yorkshire puddings, and I just wanted to say that at the end because it's a very special recipe.